In the pallets and wood packaging industry, reliability and consistency matter most. This is the Meite CN70B pneumatic coil. A professional tool built to make fastening fast, smooth, and dependable. In this video, we will take a closer look at its design, key features, practical tips, and why professionals around the world choose Meite for their production lines. By the end, you will see why this nano has earned the trust of factories and distributors worldwide. Okay, let's start with the design. The CN70B is built for both durability and comfort. At just 3.84 kilograms, it's well balanced for long shift without causing thrift. Its aluminum housing added drift while keeping the tool easier to handle. The ergonomic handle and trigger reduce fatigue and improve precision. Even during extended use, operator can stay precise and comfortable. The outer casing stands up well to everyday industry wear, ensuring years of reliable service. Take a close look at the trigger and the grip. They are designed for smooth and responsive control. Holding the tool, you will immediately notice its balance and stability. Next, let's talk about the nail compatibility. The CN70B rolls with the nails from 45 to 17 millimeters long. Shank diameter range from 2.3 to 2.9 millimeters, and head diameter from 5.7 to 7 millimeters. Its magazine holds 225 to 300 nails, so operator can stay focused on production instead of reloading too often. This flexibility makes it perfect for different pallets and crates needs. Quick tips: when loading the cone, make sure the nail sits properly in the magazine. That way, firing stays smooth and drum are minimized. Notice how knotted the cone fits, ready for continuous operation. Performance is where the CN70B really stands out. Each shot is smooth and consistent, with fewer jumps and fewer errors, meaning less rework and more confidence in every giant. Consistency is critical in high volume production, and the CN70B delivers exactly that. Maintenance tips: clean the magazine regularly and lubricate the moving parts to keep performance at its best and extend to life. Notice the started action as it fires. Every nail drives in with precision, ensuring strong fastening every time. Operating the CN70B is simple and straightforward. It's run at 70 to 120 psi with a standard 1/4-inch MPT air inlet. Today we're showing the CN70B. This is the JP air inlet, and we also have the US air inlet, EU inlet, and the US is most focused on the United States, South America, and the JP one is actually faced to the Asian markets. Connecting easily to most compressor air system. Loading the cone takes seconds. Open the magazine, place the nail inside, close it, and you're good to go. The trigger response is smooth and recon is well balanced, keeping operator both comfortable and precise. For new user, only minimum training is needed to get started. Notice how stable the tool stays even during repeat firing, allowing for accurate, efficient fastening. The CN70B adapts well to many applications, like in our daily life, the pallets, wooden case, and industrial packaging. Whether you are building export crates or everyday shipping platforms, these two keep up with production demand. Even in heavy, dirty environments, it's engineered to prevent reliable. Practical tips: always match the CN70B with the right nail size for maximum joint drift and fastening efficiency. Show it in action with different crate type or pallets to highlight its versatility. Meite nano are trusted by professionals worldwide. And today we are talking about the CN70B. Now we page to page 9 in our latest catalog. The CN70B durability, reliability, and consistent performance make it a top choice for factories and distributors. With OEM support and partnership opportunities, Meite is ready to work with business worldwide to meet their production needs. Showing the Meite logo alongside different factory scenes reflects the brand presence and trust. To wrap up, the Meite CN70B is tough, reliable, and built for professional use. From its aluminum housing to road nail compatibility, long magazine, and smooth operation, every detail is designed with professional in mind. Whether you are running a factory or a distribution center, Meite is ready to support your production. The CN70B pneumatic container built to perform, built to last. Get in touch with us today for product inquiry demos or partnership discussion. Remember, choosing a reliable tool today means smoother, more efficient production tomorrow.